Hey guys, it's Katie and today I am here with a craft haul. This is more of a collective craft haul. I just kind of looked around and I realized that I have a lot of bags sitting around that I have not done anything with yet, so I figured I might as well just show you guys what I've been purchasing. Most of it is fabric. I do have a few odds and ends here and there, but it's mostly fabric, so I figured I'd just show you guys anyway. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys, I actually purchased on Etsy, and I wanted to try some new zippers because I've been making handbags, and the zippers that I just get at Joann's, they have really small zipper pulls, so I actually purchased these. This is the name of the shop. It is called Zip It Zipper Supply. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Yeah, this is who I purchased the zippers from. All the zippers were actually really affordable, so that was nice. How many zippers did I get? I purchased 10. Yeah, I purchased a total of 10 zippers and I only paid $17, so that's pretty good for me. And these are actually I haven't actually used these zippers yet, but they feel like they're pretty good quality, so I'm excited. I bought, which ones? I forgot which ones I bought. Okay, I bought 5 24-inch zippers and 5 16-inch zippers because these are just the sizes that you needed for the handbags that I made. So I just bought a random. These are the 16-inch zippers. I bought a teal color, a white color. I bought 2 blacks just to get some neutral, and then this maroon color zipper. They feel really heavy duty. I also like these because they are a thicker zipper tape. Let me show you. These are the regular zippers that I purchased from Joann's or something, and they're thinner. Just look at the difference. This is thicker, and also the zipper pulls, which is the main reason why I purchased these to begin with. As you can see, this has a much bigger zipper pull that's more suitable for purses rather than this, because the purse I have, I actually made with just a regular old zipper that you buy at Joann's, and these zipper pulls they don't do it for me. I mean, they're good for my wallets that I make, but they just don't fly for the purses. So I purchased these because I want to try these out when I make a purse, and in case I wanted to make any of the larger size purses, I also bought a bunch of 24-inch zippers because they're huge. So yeah, I got red, pink, another maroon color, and then I just got 1 black and 1 white just to have some neutral colors. Yeah, and this little cute thing came on it. I don't know what it is, but it's a little cute charm. But yeah, I'm excited to use these. They feel really nice for the amount that you pay for them, and she also has tons and tons of different bundles and stuff you can buy from her. I don't know, I just really liked them. I was surprised how cheap they were and how nice they feel. But yeah, I'll just let you guys know how they work out when I actually sew with them. Okay, so next I'm going to share with you guys some stuff that I purchased. Well, I'll go into my Walmart purchase because the rest of it's all just fabric. But I did purchase 3 skeins. I purchased 3 skeins of this Super Saver Red Heart Ombre, and it's in this blue, and I just think it's so pretty. I'm going to make myself a sweater with this, and I'm excited because it's just a pretty blue ombre. And then I just got some black yarn as well. This is just with love. And yeah, just to do some kind of edging on the sweater I'm going to be making. This is called Scuba color, in case y'all were wondering. But yeah, so yeah, I bought that at Walmart. This is a steal at Walmart. I think these were only $5. So sometimes buying yarn at Walmart is good. Sometimes they don't have all the colors I need, but most of the time it's great. Alright, next thing I'm going to show you is I'm planning on making some pillows for my living room. So I bought this 2-pack of pillow forms. They're 18 inches. They're just like basic polyfill. These were on sale, I think, when I bought them, so they were like half off or something. But they're soft and they're humongous, so they're going to look really nice on my couch. But then I'm going to show you guys the fabric that I purchased from Joann's. And these are going to be for my pillows. I'm doing a like cathedral window pattern. I don't know if any of you guys know what that is, but if you Google it, it's really pretty. So the white is just going to be my backdrop for that. And then I purchased all these pretty colors to kind of go in the windows. So I got like a purple, pink, and blue theme going on here. We just got this kind of like purpley tie-dye looking type fabric. I don't even know. It's just a nice little like acting as a solid color. And I also got this like florally pattern purple. I thought it was so pretty. They had all the fun spring fabrics out and I just had to buy them all. And then I love this one so much. It's like little flowers and it's got some like purples and pinks in it, and it's kind of like watercolory, but it's like really pretty, and I thought it looked nice with the purples and pink fabrics to kind of tie everything in. Because I also got this like pink fabric. It's kind of just like, I don't even know, it's just like has this like interesting little splattery kind of pattern on it, and that pulls out the pink and that floral really well. Like, I think it pulls it out nicely. It looks good. So I'm excited. I also got this kind of more periwinkle kind of bluishy color, and it like has a bunch of glitter in it, so it's super pretty. But yeah, I'm really excited to make these pillows, because I think it's just going to be super pretty. So that's that. Next, took another trip to Joann's, and I purchased, mainly I went because they had interfacing on sale, so I got a ton of this SF101 for my wallets that I make. I got like 7 yards because it was 70% off. I thought about buying the whole bolts, but then I was like, I don't want to spend 50 bucks, so I only spent like 15, which is amazing for that much fabric. And then I also bought some more of this Deathly Hallows print fabric with some of the red, and I used these to make my ID wallets. Yeah, I make these like ID wallets. So this one's like half done. I have to make the lanyard for it, but this is a Cavs one. But yeah, I make those ID wallets, and I had a bunch of these Harry Potter ones on my Etsy. They sold out like crazy, so I'm trying to restock them. I honestly have one of these for myself, and I love it so much. But yeah. That's that, and then now I'm going to show you guys, I don't even know, I bought a bunch of fabric. This is a mix of stuff from Joann's, and I went to this, me and my friend drove an hour and a half to go to Amish country to purchase fabric from this like giant wholesale warehouse fabric place. I don't know, it was called Zinks, but it's in Ohio. It's like in Berlin, I don't even know, but it's like down south somewhere, and we like had no GPS signal, almost got lost, almost ran over a bunch of horses and buggies, but it was a fun little adventure, and the fabric is like amazing. They have so many choices, and I love it so much. So yeah, this is all kind of just a mix. I'm trying to work on a quilt. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just buying a bunch of fabrics. I want to make like a patchwork type thing. But like I don't even know what I want to do yet, so I'm just like collecting some fabric. But at that fabric place, I ended up buying a bunch of fat quarters because they were only $1.75. So I got this really pretty patterned one. I don't know, I just love this color, and I think it looks super cute. Then I also got this kind of like, it's more of like a batik kind of brown leafy looking fabric. I thought it was super cute. I think I actually got, yeah, I got 2 of those. And then I got this one. It's kind of similar in color to the other one, but it's not exactly the same like pattern. It's a little bit more just like a, I don't know what you call that, but that's what it looks like. And then I purchased 2 of these like blue colored. I like these jewel tones a lot, these like jewel tone blues, and they're so hard to find anything with this color. Like I need more fabric this color because I want to incorporate this in my quilt. I think it looks super nice, but I can't find it anywhere. Then I also purchased some fat quarters from Joann's. I don't even know what I was doing. I was going for like a purpley tan jewel tone quilt, and then somehow I ended up with like corals and mints and blues, and I don't know what I'm doing, but whatever. So I purchased a few of these blue fat quarters. So just this one. It has like it has a bit of a pattern to it. It's more, it registers as solid though, but got that one. And then this one, if you can see it, it's more of a light blue and it has these pretty little patterns on it. So that one's cute. And then I also bought this cute little blue leafy pattern. Then I got 2 more fat quarters. They're pink, red, pink. So I got this one. It has a cool little print on it. And this one's kind of like florally, like that purple one I showed you earlier. Then I got some of this fabric. I just love it so much. I wasn't even planning on putting this in my quilt, but like it's just super pretty. It was like the last of it on the bolt, and I don't know, I just bought the rest of it because it was super cute. And then I also just bought this kind of like blue checky looking fabric. I don't even know. And then I also got this like sparkly pink, this has like glitter in it. I don't know if you can see it. There's like gold flecks of glitter in it. But sparkly little bubbly pink things. And then I got this fabric just because it registers as a solid, and you know, I just wanted some color. I don't even know if I'm going to use this all. I also got a few more fat quarters, so these are just some like tans with some golds, different little patterns there. And then around Christmas time they had all this like pretty like gold fabric, so I got this. I think it'll look super nice with like some of the jewel tones that I have going on here. Like these would look so good together. Like I think I have like 2 different quilts. I was trying to have my friend like plan this with me, but I have no idea what I'm doing yet. Then I also bought this. It was part of the like fall collection. I just bought what was left on the bolt, so I have quite a bit of it. I love it. I just love it's like flowery and like just neutral, and I think it's super pretty. And then this I purchased at the Amish fabric store. I thought it was so pretty. It's like shiny and it's just like purple. I don't even know if I'm going to use this for this quilt, but I just thought it was pretty, and it was only like $6.99, and I think this is a yard or 2 maybe, I don't know. And then finally I just bought some solid maroony color. I want to use this as like a backdrop for my quilt, but I don't know. It might be a little bit too dark, so maybe I'll use it, I don't know. I like the color, but maybe I will just use it as like accents or something. I don't know yet. We'll see how that goes. Alright. And the last bag I have to show you guys is from the Amish fabric store. Oh gosh, there's so many in here. They like folded it so weird. But I bought this like scissor pattern fabric because I thought it was so cute. And then I also, it's like folded in here. But I also bought this sewing machine pattern fabric. I don't even know if you can see that. But it has like pink and mint sewing machines. And I just thought that was cute. I don't know, my friend was buying some and I had to get some too. The 2 of these were $5.99 a yard. So I bought a yard of each. And I think I want to make some kind of like hanging panel or something. Like a quilted panel or whatever for my craft room, because I think that would be super cute. And then I purchased this because it was like cheap. So it was 4 yards for $4.99 a yard. And it has super cute little owls on it. I just think it's adorable. This store has like a bunch of like pre-cuts that they just like have marked, and then you just buy them, so that's nice. And then I'm really excited about this because I actually purchased 2 yards of vinyl. And this vinyl was only $5.73 a yard, which is a super good deal. So it is just this like Here, sorry. It's this like teal, dark teal, turquoisey vinyl. Vinyl's like $30 a yard. Even on like fabric.com I was able to get vinyl for like $15 a yard or something like that. So that was a really good steal, and they had a ton of colors, but I ended up choosing that one because I thought it would look nice, and I think it goes good with that owl fabric, but I definitely want to use that vinyl to make some more purses. But yeah, I'm super excited. But yeah, I'm super excited about all the things that I bought, and I'm super excited to make things with all this fabric. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!